solemnly pledge to dedicate my life to the service of my God and my country. I will honor my parents, my teachers, my leaders, and my elders, and those in authority. I will be clean and honest in all my thoughts, my words, and my deeds. I will strive in everything I do to work together with my fellow men of every creed and race for the greater happiness of all and the honor and glory of my country.
In a prayer which we hear so often on assembly, one line tells us, "For it is in giving that we receive." Good morning, staff and students. My name is Vishesh Ramsaran, and I want to remind you, my brothers, about the importance of showing appreciation for the blessings that we all have. 2020 will always be remembered in years to come, but what should we take away from it? As I reflect, I realize that when I look back, I want to remember the positive difference I made during this pandemic. I want to remember that I didn't just think about myself, but instead I counted my blessings and shared with others. It's easy to get caught up in one's own life situation and not think of others. For many, that's the norm, but not here at Naparima College. I am currently an upper 6 student, and this is my 7th year being enrolled in this magnificent institution. But I still remember one of the first things that I was told during my Form 1 orientation: be your brother's keeper. At first, none of my comrades knew what that meant, but as time went by, we learned that it meant to always give and help in any circumstances in which we can. So today I am calling all of you from Form 1 to Form 6 to give and bring our unofficial motto to a reality. Our Christmas Hamper Project 2020 has now been launched. It is our project, and we are responsible for making it a success. Each class has been assigned an item, and we are posting the list on the school website as well as the Facebook page. You can even talk to your form teacher to find out more about whatever item you may have to bring. So men, let's take a concerted effort to make sure that we take care of each other. Drop off your items at the school's office between the hours of 8 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. Let's continue to give and continue to be our brother's keeper.